Do you want to be on camera? What do you think? Do you want to be on camera? Mom thinks you're pretty cute. Yeah? You have a messy face. Yes, you do. You have a messy face? Does Mommy have a messy face? Cadence. Cadence. Why would Mommy have a messy face? Huh? Yeah, did you spit on her? Yeah? Carrot. You're too cute. As you